Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you want to sleep better? Who really doesn't? Well, this great mattress topper from Wow Futon has really made a difference for me when it comes to sleeping better and feeling more comfortable when I sleep. Right away when I took this out of the box, you can see that it's made with luxe fabric. It has merino wool in it and organic cotton, so it really has made it feel like it's nice and cool all night while I'm sleeping. In addition, I love that on our king size bed, this topper fits really well. It doesn't come off while you're sleeping, and it has really generously sized straps for the corners. Again, making it so that you don't feel like you're fumbling with it or that it's going to snap at you while you're sleeping. The different textured and sewing on this really makes it feel comfortable as well. I tend to have a tired back and tired hips by the end of the day, and being able to sleep on this has made such a difference. It conforms to you, it stays nice and cool while you're sleeping, and you can tell from the top here that it's just so comfortable and soft. Under the fitted sheets, this mattress topper really shines through, and it provides comfort and really luxurious sleeping all evening. If that's what you're looking for, you definitely will have a really great experience using this topper. But that's just my point of view.